How to do SEO for websites step by step. By knowing all the SEO techniques, one can easily rank their website at the top of Google for a given keyword. SEO is one of the best way to reach your targeted customers and boost your business. How to do SEO for websites step by step. SEO is the process of improving your site's visibility on search engines by optimizing your site's content, structure, and overall technical performance. SEO also includes content development to make your site relevant to the target audience. Google, Bing, Yahoo, and other search engines are always looking for ways to offer their users the best search experience. By optimizing your site, you are helping search engines make their search results more relevant to users. Keywords play a very important role in the success of SEO. Your goal should always be to get your site to rank for as many relevant keywords as possible. What is the importance of keywords in SEO? By targeting the right keywords for your site, you are targeting relevant and interested users. When the right keywords are used, your site will be able to rank higher for those keywords and thus, result in more traffic. What are the types of keywords? There are two types of keywords. 1. Long-tail keywords. 2. Short-tail keywords. 1. Long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are keywords that have a long phrase and are usually used by users when they are looking for something specific. 2. Short-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords are keywords that consist of only a few words and are usually used by users when they are looking for a general thing. How can long-tail keywords help improve your website? Long-tail keywords help you in several ways. 1. Long-tail keywords make it easier to rank in Google for a specific keyword that you want to rank for. 2. Long-tail keywords are more specific and therefore, you are targeting an audience that is more interested in your site. 3. Long-tail keywords tend to have a lower competition and therefore, it is easier to rank for them. What is the long-tail keyword strategy? Long-tail keyword strategy ensures that you are targeting specific keywords that are relevant and interested in your site. For example, if you have a site that sells organic foods, your long-tail keyword strategy should consist of keywords such as 1. Organic food recipes. 2. Organic food stores. 3. Organic food for dogs. 4. Organic food stores near me. 5. Organic food stores in my city. How are long-tail keywords different from short-tail keywords? Long-tail keywords tend to have a lower competition and are a little more specific. Short-tail keywords tend to have a higher competition and are more general. What are the steps involved in creating long-tail keywords? 1. Create a list of keywords that you want to target. 2. Find the root keyword for each of the long-tail keywords. 3. Determine the specific keyword that each long-tail keyword is targeting. 4. Out of the long-tail keywords, create a spreadsheet and rank each keyword by the number of visits it receives. 5. After you have ranked the keywords, go through your spreadsheet and see which keywords you can add to your site or create content about. Tips to target your SEO keywords. The goal of any business is to be found when someone is searching for you. That's what SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about. And it's not just for companies or businesses, but for any and all products or services you would like to sell, or any topic you would like to write a blog about. But how do you get found? For that, you need to target the right keywords. What are keywords? Keywords are the words people search for online when they want to find something. The following are examples of search terms people may use to find your blog post. Dog training tips. Tips for training your dog. How to train your dog. Dog training problems. Tips for training your puppy. After you have written your first blog post for your website, you need to begin to target the right keywords to make sure that when people search for training tips for their dogs, your blog post appears as a potential solution. This is why you need to constantly refine your SEO efforts. You need to target keywords that are relevant to your niche. This is also why you need to use your website analytics to properly target the right keywords. The best way to get started in SEO is to first identify your target audience and their keywords. This is the most important step to get the right keywords for SEO. Here is a simple way to find out the keywords people are using when they are looking for your product or service. 1. Go to google.com and type in a search term. This is the term you are trying to rank for. Your keyword can be a single word or multiple words. For example, if I wanted to do some research on the keyword training tips for dogs, I would type it into the Google search bar. 2. Click on the keywords in the search results. This will take you to your search results. You want to click on the keywords that are the most relevant. To do this, look at the following. How many searches are being made for this keyword? How much competition is there for this keyword? What is the intent of the searcher, e.g., research, purchase, etc.? How many results are there for this keyword? What other keywords are being searched with this keyword? 3. Write down the keywords that are relevant to your business. You can also use the exact match keyword function to find more closely related keywords. By the way, if you have a Google Analytics account, you can see a list of keywords that brought traffic to your website. That's step 1. Step 2 is to use your analytics data to find out the traffic sources for each keyword. Let's say that you have identified the following keywords. Dog training. Dog training tips. Tips for training your dog. How to train your dog. Dog training problems. Tips for training your puppy. For each keyword, you want to find out how many of your users found you through search engines, social media, PPC, etc. For example, let's say that you have identified the following keywords. Dog training. Dog training tips. Tips for training your dog. How to train your dog. Dog training problems. Tips for training your puppy. Google Analytics tells you that the keywords dog training tips, and dog training problems are the top 3 keywords that bring traffic to your website. You also find out that your traffic comes from social media sites, Google, and PPC ads. For this post, we will focus on Google Analytics. 4. Determine the keywords that are being searched with your main keyword. This is the next step. You want to determine what other keywords are being searched with the main keyword. For example, if I were to search Google for dog training, I would get the following search results. When I click on the first search result, which is for Google, I would be able to see the keywords that people use to find Google. For example, some of these keywords would be Google Analytics, Keyword Research, AdWords, Google AdWords, Google Search, Google Webmaster Tools, Google Keyword Planner, Google Keyword Tool, and so on. I am sure you can see where I am going with this. So, let's say that we have identified the following keywords. Dog training. Dog training tips. Tips for training your dog. How to train your dog. Dog training problems. Tips for training your puppy. Based on the number of searches for each keyword, we could determine which keywords are the most relevant. And then, we can include those keywords when we write our blog posts. For example, we would want to target each of the keywords in our blog posts. 5. Determine what your target audience is looking for. By using the exact match keyword function, we can find out what people are searching for when they are looking for our product or service. For example, let's take the following keyword. Dog training tips. When I click on the exact match keyword function on Google, I can see the following search results. As you can see, there are many variations of the keyword dog training tips. For example, you can see that some of the search terms are dog training tips for puppies, dog training tips for small dogs, tips for training your dog, 5 tips for training your dog, 20 dog training tips, dog training tips for beginners. 6. Include your target keywords when you write your posts. Here's the next step. Once you have determined your target keywords, you want to include your target keywords when you write your blog posts. This is how you will be able to properly target your SEO keywords. To create a blog post, you need to follow these steps. Write an outline. Write your first draft. Edit and proofread your post. Publish your post. When you write your blog post, you want to include the keywords that your target audience is using when they are searching for your products or services. For example, let's say that you sell dog training products. You could use the following keywords. Dog training products. Dog training products for beginners. Dog training products for puppies. Dog training products small dogs. Dog training products for large dogs. Dog training products for aggressive dogs. Dog training products for large breeds. 7. Include your target keywords in your title. When you write your title, you want to include your target keywords. This is the first thing you want to include in your title. For example, your title could be something like 7 tips to train your dog. The title of your article should be as specific as possible, but at the same time, it has to be relevant to your target audience. 8. Include your target keyword in your subheading. When you write your subheading, you want to include your target keyword. This is what will give you more SEO juice. For example, let's say that your title is 7 tips to train your dog. 9. Include your target keyword in your first paragraph. When you write your first paragraph, you want to include your target keyword. This is what will help you get your target keyword in front of people. For example, let's say that your title is 7 tips to train your dog. When you write your first paragraph, you want to include your target keyword. Here is an example. Have you ever wondered how to train your dog? That's what this article is all about. In this article, you will learn 10. Include your target keyword in your second paragraph. When you write your second paragraph, you want to include your target keyword. For example, let's say that your title is 7 tips to train your dog. When you write your second paragraph, you want to include your target keyword. Here is an example. Let's take a look at some of the most common mistakes people make when they are trying to train their dogs. Common mistakes when training your dog. 11. Include your target keyword in your third paragraph. When you write your third paragraph, you want to include your target keyword. For example, let's say that your title is 7 tips to train your dog. When you write your third paragraph, you want to include your target keyword. Here is an example. One of the most common mistakes people make when they are training their dog is they are too rough with their dog. When you are too rough with your dog, you are not giving your dog a reason to listen to you. Usually 3 paragraphs is good enough, but if you want more, then follow the process. Conclusion. The SEO is a type of self-help activity, and it has become a part of the daily activities of the user. Google is the most used search engine worldwide. Google has shown a lot of preference to SEO, and it has fixed a list of quality rules for those who want to rank on its first page. There are many types of SEO, and the most popular one is the SEO on a website. The user who wants to use the website must follow a few rules to make it accessible on the first page of Google. The SEO helps to identify the website in a better way. The SEO also helps to promote the website in a better way. Bonus. There are more than 45 tools which can help you with SEO research and SEO audits. Find all those tools if you wish to. Good part is all those tools is just free to use. Get access now. For more information, please visit SEOtoolsportal.com. If you like this video, then you can subscribe this channel for future updates. And don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.